Today I'm excited to introduce a new collection of luxury beddings and soft home furnishings to our design center. Designer Joel Chauran is coming here to show us his collection, and then we are going to a beautiful location where Joel will show us some fabulous ways we can decorate our own bedrooms. Hi Joel.
Good morning, Michael. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. I want to introduce you to my assistant, Eric.
Very nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice meeting you. You did a marvelous job. It looks amazing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So we're going to gather a whole bunch of choices of bedding and pillows to bring together to show you at the location of how we can put together beds very differently and very easily. We're going to use this velvet quilt. This is a hand embroidered quilt, embroidered on both sides.
Where is it from?
This is made in India.
Oh wow.
Made in India, yes. And I'm inspired actually quite a bit by my travels to India. The craftsmanship in working with textiles in India is just overwhelmingly beautiful.
That's remarkable.
So on this we're going to do a double fold. We folded it back once, we folded this edge over again, and now this edge we're folding over. That's going to give us a really nice line right across the top.
That looks beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Then we're going to take the sand-colored shams. We're going to layer the pillows. And what I like to do with the pillows is to start by layering different heights, starting from the tallest down to the lowest. So we're going to give a nice backdrop of a little bit of a light color back here. Then we're going to bring in the same color, this nice cognac colored sham.
So they have different motifs. Is that
yes,
intentional? You have different colors and different motifs.
It's intentional. This program actually comes in 4 different colors.
Oh wow.
So we have the sand, the cognac. In a minute you're going to see espresso, and then also a mist. So on 2 of the colors, the sand and the mist, we have a circle pattern.
Okay.
On the cognac and espresso we have a square pattern. So
is that okay to use different motifs?
It's really great to do a little bit of a mix and match. And if you'll see, both of these have the same design language, where it's concentric square or concentric circle. So a little bit later I'm going to show you another twist on this, where I've done a decorative pillow and added a decorative stud at each intersection, which is really quite nice. So yes, the next thing that we're going to do is bring in a different feel.
Oh wow, this looks completely different now.
This, I like to mix a lot of different textures. It really adds interest. This is a linen and suede applique combination.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Quite unusual. What I've tried to do with this line is to create things in an unusual mix of material, like the linen and suede. Later on I'll show you some felt on velvet and whatnot. So it's a little bit eccentric of a mix, but I've tamed it all by using a very soft palette. So making it very easy to live with.
It's beautiful tone on tone. It just looks like it's made for each other.
Yes, definitely. And it's going to add a little bit of a backdrop for the next pillow that we're going to use, which is quite detailed. It's a sequin that has a double stitch pattern on top of this 2-tone cloth.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of work.
It's a lot of handwork. This is what I mean by the craftsmanship in India. And what I've done is I've taken some of these traditional techniques from ancient times in India and translated them in a more contemporary, more modern design.
Wow.
So
I appreciate handiwork, but this is amazing.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes, beautiful.
So then we'll put this guy right in front, little bolster in front. And then I always like to put like a little cherry on top with the beds.
Okay.
So I've made this.
Oh wow.
Yes, so this actually is a hand-studded pillow on suede with the cute little tassel detail. And so I like to put like a little accent piece in the front there, just for a little bit of layering. Sort of like, you would dress up and you would put a pair of earrings on for the perfect dress, or a cherry on top for a ice cream sundae.
That's absolutely beautiful.
Now the next thing that we're going to do, what I like to do is layer quilts, and I'm going to use this quilt actually as a runner. We're just going to let it drape over the side there. This is going to bring in the color of the sham back here, and it's going to make for the complete look.
It looks beautiful, amazing.